Hello and welcome. Just doing a quick video on version 2 of the Simdash display. I've been doing a little bit of work combining this with my button box software and amalgamated some code, translated it from Spanish to English, and managed to fix a few bugs up and make the whole thing work. So what we have here is a TM1638 display, about $7 on eBay. On the back I've just velcroed on here a Arduino Pro. It's a Pro Micro, it's a Leonardo based chip, so nothing too exciting to see there. So what I've done is I've configured this to be a gamepad as well, so I'll just plug this in, and by plugging it in you can see the startup splash screen. Everything's working okay, and we can now see, hopefully very shortly, this will display a refresh on the screen. But it didn't, did it? No, I didn't push it in far enough. There you go. That's what was going on. Okay, so here we have the Leonardo Gamepad. It's come up now as a game device. You can click on properties, and here we have the same button layout that I had on my button box that I made. So by pushing the buttons, we can see each of the buttons in game are now actually assignable by pressing those buttons on the screen. Okay, so now shown that it's a gamepad, here's what I'll do. I'll close all this down. With Project Cars now running, I'll have to just run the Arduino connector program. I'll link that a little bit later, and I now have to select the COM port, hit the start button, and here we have the display working. It's got the fuel already, look at that. Now the buttons along here still work, so they still actually display everything as it was originally, but they also now double up as in-game buttons you can assign. So you can change views or anything you want to do in game, you can now assign this. So if I click on drive, like so, I can demonstrate that. If I turn some speakers on, there you go, lovely. You can see the speedo display working. I haven't actually enabled this one just yet, but that's okay. Right, first gear, second gear. As you can see, the display is working exactly like it was on the old version 1, except now you can use it as a gamepad, which is fantastic. So it's really not much more to show you. The response is pretty quick. In fact, it's faster than my software solution, and it looks great. So with that in mind, I'll let this all get back to it, and I'll chat to you all later. Thank you.